In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play iCloud music on your iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before we start, I want to make a disclaimer and say that after you turn on iCloud Music Library on your device, all the music that's currently on the device will be deleted and replaced with the songs from iCloud. So if you still want to go through with the setup, first, in the iTunes app on your computer, make sure you are signed in to the iTunes Store on the device using the same Apple ID on both devices. Now, set up your library of music, and after you are satisfied with all the music and playlists that you have, simply get your iPhone and go to the Settings tab, and inside Settings, find the Music tab. In the Music tab, if you are using iOS or iPadOS 13 or later, simply turn on the Sync Library option as you can see here at the bottom. Or if you have an earlier version of iOS, simply turn on iCloud Music Library. If you set up your account properly in the iTunes app and you sync your library to the music settings, all of your songs inside your iTunes Music Library will be synced to your iPhone automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to play iCloud music on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.